Beifong, hello people, my name is Blacksmith, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to get to the Blacksmith area in Genshin Impact. So let's get straight into it and just follow my lead. I love these cooking pots and apples. I've got this. I must farm this coal. I mean iron chunk. Oh. Oh no. What a wonderful city we've arrived at. We're almost there to the Blacksmith. Come here! I actually lost where am I going. Oh no. Rotate. Oh no. That is happening. We're almost there. What? Fearless. Hello, friend. No. We're all good. What? I'm a last surviving stander. No! Yet! Ew! What? I see, but that's a swamp. Just me closely. Ah! Why hiding? Oh! I'm in my wave rider. Wait, am I supposed to ride my wave rider in there? Hold on. No. Oh my. We're almost at our destination, guys.
Oh no. Oh!
guy has a whole different stamina system. There you go. That has been the easiest way to get to the Blacksmith in Genshin Impact. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you would like to see more, then press like and subscribe. The hammer blesses you for another day.